Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this look right here. So if you guys are interested on how I completed this look, just keep on watching. So for the first color that I'm going to be using is this yellow color, which is called No Joke, from the Morphe Jaclynhill Volume 2 palette. And the brush that I'm using is the Makeup T36 brush. So the next color I'm going to be using is this orange color called Feeling Myself, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom crease and just blending those two out, which is the yellow and the orange out. So the next two colors I'm going to be using is Comfort Zone and Thick Skin, which are these two brown colors, and I'm just going to be placing that on top of the orange shadow that we placed and just blending that out. So the next two colors I'm going to be using is Home Body and Next, and I am just taking those two and just packing that onto the outer crease. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking this gold shimmer, which is called Talea, and I am just packing that onto the lids with my fingers. I really like this palette a lot. I love using it, so you guys should definitely go ahead and go buy yourself this palette because you will not regret it. So I'm going to be stop talking and just enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you guys soon. By the end. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know if you guys will want me to see more of these looks using the same palette. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time on my next video.